Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how social media behavior can ruin your career. Because likes are fun and great, but don't let it cost you a job opportunity. Social media is booming, and we can barely remember how life was before. As much as social media is integrated into our personal lives, it can also have a big effect on our professional lives. Sometimes positive, but also negative. To ensure that you can enjoy all the perks of social media without it hurting your job hunt, we have these tips and tricks to offer. Tools on social media. 1. Put your page on private. The easiest way for all of your business to be all over the internet is to have your social media pages or profiles open to the public. Putting your page or profile on private does not mean that you're hiding stuff for your employer or for your future employer. It just means that you are being careful and private, and there is nothing wrong with that, just like there is nothing wrong with having a public page. 2. Be mindful. Be mindful of the pictures that you post. Semi-naked pictures, pictures with obscene gestures could seriously damage your chances of getting the job that you want. The same goes for memes. Things that you may find funny may offend others, especially when the meme is politically charged or related to religion. Doesn't mean that you can't post anything related to religion or politics. Just be mindful when you do and make sure that you don't post anything that could offend anyone else, even if you have a different belief or point of view of the situation. And remember, reposting and sharing posts of others can be seen as sharing your own thoughts. 3. Interact with your employer. If you have a nice and positive picture that is work related, you should tag your employer's business page. Being featured on your company's business page is a nice bonus. Liking and sharing important posts on your company's business page is also a nice thing to do. And of course, don't forget to follow your employer's business page. 4. Ask permission. If you want to follow or add a colleague or manager on social media, it is best to ask for their permission first. It doesn't have to be formal, but just a simple question asking if they mind if you add or follow them is enough. It may not seem like a big deal, but some people like to keep work and their personal life separate. To avoid comfortable situations, simply ask first and add later. 5. Join a support group. Yes, a support group sounds very dramatic, but it can really help you on your journey to better your career. You can connect with peers, vent, laugh, and crack jokes, but also ask for advice and receive encouraging words. Just a place to relax and help you get through the workday. And the best part is, you don't have to look too far to find this group, because we have our own group. It's called Uncensored Banks and Insurance Jobs. Join us now on Facebook and tell a friend to tell a friend to join us too. And let's make it the best group to fulfill all your needs. Don'ts on social media. 1. Argue. Most of us like a discussion, and there's nothing wrong with that. A good debate can always open your eyes up to new views, but there's a difference between debating, discussing, and arguing. Whatever the case may be, keep it classy. 2. Make premature announcements. Of course, it's very exciting when you get a new job or a promotion, but make sure that you don't make any announcements on social media until it's official. An offer doesn't mean that it's yours yet. A conversation that went well doesn't mean that it will actually turn into more than just a conversation. Does this mean that you need to keep it a secret? Absolutely not. But just make sure it's official before you share it with the world. 3. Spill company secrets. Every company has its own secrets. Try to know the difference between what is a known secret and a real secret, because sharing secrets that are supposed to stay a secret can cost the company a lot, and it can cost you your job. Lastly, we want to remind you to enjoy social media. It's here to make life easier and more fun, so make sure you have fun and enjoy the perks of the internet, but don't let it ruin your chances at landing that dream job. And remember, what goes on the internet stays on the internet forever. Bonus tip. You can always put a disclaimer in your bio stating that these are your views and not of your employer if you mention your employer on your social media pages. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.